Namaste, welcome back to Pronounce India. Well, in today's video, we are going to learn Hindi numbers from 1 to 10. Well, while traveling in India, those 10 numbers will help you a lot. The first number is 0. The Hindi pronunciation for the number 0 is Shoe-nya. Shoe-nya. Sh. As you say sh, we have to pronounce Shoe-nya. Shoe-nya means 0. Well, if you want to learn basic Hindi alphabets, then I will link the video in the description. Don't forget to check it out. The next Hindi number is 1. Well, here I am having 1 rupee Indian coin where you can see 1 written on it. Well, Hindi pronunciation for 1 is ek. Ek. 1. Ek. Well, it is the first functional number which we are going to use so many times in our daily routine. 1. Ek. Suppose someone asks you, how many items you want? आप कितनी चीजें चाहते हैं? How many items you want? In return you will say 1. Ek. I want 1 item. मुझे एक चीज चाहिए. How many items you want? मुझे एक चीज चाहिए. 1. Ek. But do not worry about the sentences because right now our main concentration is only about the numbers. So do not worry about that Hindi sentence. The next number in Hindi is 2. 2 means do. 2, do. The pronunciation of the English word do is very similar to the Hindi pronunciation of do, do. 2, do. 2 means do. Let's just try one sentence to understand the number very easily. For example, if someone asks you, how many people are you? How many people are you? आप कितने लोग हैं? Then you will reply, we are 2 persons. It means हम 2 लोग हैं. 2 persons, 2 लोग. 2, दो. The next Hindi number is 3. 3 means तीन. तीन. 3, teen, teen. Well, there is a fun fact about this Indian number. Well, in India, so many Indian people consider 3 as their unlucky number. Number 3, 13, 9. These all numbers considered to be the most unlucky numbers. What is your lucky number? Well, I somehow consider 7 is my lucky number. Must comment below to tell me what is your lucky number. Well, I can understand remembering these all Hindi words are very tough for you. So just for a hint, 3 starts with T. And in Hindi we are saying it teen. And teen is also somehow starting with T while you are pronouncing it. So 3, teen. Both are starting with the letter T. So it will be easy for you to remember it in a long run. 3, teen. Both are starting with the letter T. The next number is 4. The Hindi pronunciation for the number 4 is char. 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 How many tickets you want? आपको कितने टिकट चाहिए? 4. 4. How many tickets you want? 4. 4 means 4. The next number is 5. 5 means Paa-anch. 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 5, Paa-anch. As you say punch in English, punch sounds very similar to the number 5. Punch, Paa-anch. In punch, you have a sound of a, and in Paa-anch, you just have to add one extra sound a. Paa-anch. So you can remember it with the word punch. As you say punch in English, you just have to say Paa-anch. So 5, Paa-anch. If you have seen this video that far, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you seriously like this video, then comment below. If you want to learn more common Hindi words which we use in daily routine, then this video will be very helpful for you. I will give the link in the description. The next Hindi number is 6. Well, the Hindi pronunciation for this number is ch. Ch. This word is pronounced like ch. ch. For this word, you have to just put some pressure on your tongue and a special movement of your lips. Ch, ch. 6, ch. Paa-anch plus 1 equals to ch. The next number is 7. 7, Saat. 7, Saat. Saa-th, Saat. Just to remember it, there is a special trick. As you say 7, it starts with S. When you say Saat, it also starts with S. 7, Saat. So by that, you can remember the Hindi word for the 7. Next number is 8. 8 means aunt. Aunt. A-th. Aunt. 8 means aunt. Okay, we are about to end the list. The last second number is 9. To pronounce 9 in Hindi, we have to say no. No. As you say the word no in English, you have to just pronounce the words similar to the English word no. No, no. The English word is no and the Hindi word is no. No. 9, no. 9, no. The last number is 10. The Hindi word for the 10 is das. 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 10, das. So ladies and gentlemen, by this we have completed 10 numbers in Hindi. From Shoe-nya to das. Shoe-nya we will exclude it because 0 we do not use it regularly. But from 1 to 10 we use it in our daily routine. Here's the game which we are going to play right now. So for that you need only paper and some of the pens. Okay? To play the game, just follow the instructions. As on this paper I am writing If you have seen the video and if you have understand it enough, then you can understand what is written here. I have written here Paa-anch. Paa-anch. Paa-anch, if you can remember with the word punch, if you remember it enough, with the word punch, you can remember Paa-anch. So Paa-anch, it means you have to put any 5 items on the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is written on the paper. It means Paa-anch means 5. I am collecting 5 pen or whatever item you have in your home. You have to put 5 items for the word Paa-anch. The test is I am writing it's teen. 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 This one was Paa-anch. This one is teen. So what is teen? This one is 5, Paa-anch. This one is teen. What number will goes there and how many items I have to put there to complete teen? For 5, there was 5 pens. For teen, how many items will come there? Answer the questions and give me that on my Instagram. You can reply back on the Instagram. Here is my Instagram ID. If you will be wrong, I will correct you. Okay? So that will be an interactive class. So you have to submit that answer to me on my Instagram. Thank you. And yes, don't forget to download the worksheet which I have created for you. This will be very helpful for you all to understand numbers 0 to 10. Worksheet is free and link is in the description. You just have to download it and practice it. Here is my Instagram ID where you have to reply this. Okay? Best of luck. Well, that's all was today's video, learning Hindi numbers from 1 to 10. If you liked the video, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and you can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook account. You can DM me your any queries related to learning Hindi and traveling to India.